Okay, students. So our next topic of exercise 6.3 is multiplication of a fraction by another fraction. Okay. So let's read this example. After preparing all the cakes. Okay. After preparing all the cakes, 1/4 of the cake batter is still left. Ramya's mother uses 2/3 of the remaining batter. Okay. So one fourth is left, 1/4 batter is left, and from this 1/4 Ramya's mother uses 2/3, okay, of the remaining batter. How much is remaining batter? This is 1/4, okay, to make pastries, and the rest to make cupcake for Ramya and her brother. How much of the batter does Ramya's mother use? Okay, so students, Ramya's mother has 2/3, okay. Ramya's mother has 2/3 of remaining batter. From that, she uses 1/4. So, what you need to do? You need to multiply. So, here our topic is, you can see that multiplication of a fraction by another fraction. Here you have one fraction and another you have one fraction. So, here you have two fractions. Multiply, what you'll do? You will multiply numerator. Okay, so 2 into 1 will become 2 and 3 into 4 will become 12. Now 2 upon 12 can again be reduced. Okay, 2 comes in 2's table 1 times and 12 comes in 2's table 6 times. So your answer will be 1 upon 6. Okay, students, so your answer will be 1 upon 6. I hope you understood. Here our topic was multiplication of fraction by another fraction. To multiply, what you have done, you have multiplied this 2 into 1 and 3 into 4. Okay, so your answer became 2 upon 12. After that, you again reduced. 2 comes in 2's table 1 times and 12 comes 6 times. So your answer was 1 upon 6. Okay, so let's go to our exercise. Question number is 2 upon 3 into 5 upon 6. Okay, to multiply, what you'll do? Here you can see that 6 comes in 2's table how many times? 3 times. Okay, and 2 comes in 1 times. Here again 3 does not come in 5 table. Okay, so you write 1 into 5 and 3 into 3. So it will give you 5 upon 9. Okay, you could have also solved like that. Okay, you could have also solved like 2 into 3 into 5 upon 6. What it became? 10 upon 18. Okay, 10 upon 18. After that, you can again it reduce that 2 5 times and 2 9 times. So your answer was 5 upon 9. This type of method was given in example. You can directly divide here or you can divide after multiplying. Okay, this is your choice. So let's see next question. 1f, 8 upon 9 into 9 upon 8. Here you can see that 8 comes in 8 table 1 times and 9 come in 9 tables 1 time. So here I 1 and 1 and here 1 and 1 because we have divided here by 8 and 9. So 1 into 1 and 1 into 1. So our answer is 1. You could have also solved, students, like 8 into 9. Okay, 8 into 9 is what? 72. Or here 8 into 9 is 72. So 72 upon 72 is 1. You could have also solved like that, or you can also solve like this method. Okay, this is your choice. So let's go to next question. 1G and 1H. You have to do, this is your homework. 1G and 1H is your homework. Now question 1I. 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. into 10 upon 12. Now you can see that. Let's write first this question here. 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6 into 10 upon 12. So here divide 3 and 6. So 3 1 times and 3 2 times. Here 5 1 times, 5 2 times. Again 2 1 times and 2 1 times. So it will give us 1 into 1 into 1 and 1 into 1 into 12. It will give us 1 upon 12. This is our answer. Let's see another question. 1j, 2 upon 4 into 6 upon 8 into 7 upon 10. It will give us 2 upon 4. Let's first write this question here. 2 into 4 into 6 upon 8 into 7 upon 10. So 2 1 times, 4 comes in 2's table. So 4 comes in 2's table 2 times and 2 comes in 2's table 1 times. Now here again you can see that 2 1 times and here 2 6 3 times. Now students, is any number divisible here? No. 2 upon 4, so 1 2. Okay, so our answer is 21 upon 80. Okay. Okay, now let's go to next question. 3 upon 4 into 9 upon 11 into 4 upon 5 and 4 upon 9 into 8 upon 9 and 5. This is your homework, students. 1K is your homework. I will explain you 1L. Okay, so let's first write here 4 upon 9 into 8 upon 9 into 5 upon 4 into 9 upon 8. Here we have to divide these numbers. Okay, so 9 comes in 9 table 1 times and here 9 will get divided. Okay, here 8 will get 4 will get divided 1 times and 1 times, and here 8 will also get divided 1 time. So it will become 1 into 1 into 5 into 1, and it will become 1 into 9 into 1 into 1. So it will give us 5 upon 9. This is our answer. Okay, now let's move to next question. 1m, 2 upon 3 into 7 upon 10. Let's first convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction. So 3. Okay, first write question here. So let's convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction. So 3 into 2 is 6 plus 2 upon 3 into 7 upon 10. So now 6 plus 2 will become 8 upon 3 into 7 upon 10. Now let's divide them. 8 will come in 2's table 4 times and 10 will come in 2's table 5 times. So it will give us 4 into 7 upon 3 into 5. So our answer is 28 upon 15. Okay, now next question, and you have to solve. This is your homework. And 6 1 upon 8 into 6 1 upon 8 into 1 7 upon 12. Let's convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction. So 6 into 8 will become 48 plus 1 divided by 8 into 12 into 1 will become 12 plus 7 divided by 12. Okay, now 48 plus 1 will become 49 upon 8 into 19 upon 12. Is any number divisible here? No, students. 49 does not come in any numbers table. Similarly, 19 does not come in any numbers table. So we had to multiply these two numbers. So 49 into 19 will become 931, and 12 into 8 will become 96. So this is our answer. Now next question, 1p, 15 upon 16 into 0. So students, when you multiply any number by 0, it gives you 0. So our answer is 0, and you have to tell me what is answer of this question. 0 into 9 upon 16. Okay, you have to solve this. This is just like p. Okay,